Welcome to the channel. Ever wondered how AI can spot crypto trends before anyone else does? Here's a tool that makes it happen. But before we jump in, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research, due diligence, and don't invest in anything you're not willing to lose. Let's roll. Hey guys, have you ever wondered, can you use artificial intelligence to do more than just ask questions or even do rote tasks? What if AI could spot crypto trends before anybody else? Now, you might be wondering, how exactly is this possible? Well, it is with DeepSnitch. So we're going to take a look at it. But before we do, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research. So first, we can connect it with our Web3 wallet. So you want to get a Web3 wallet and connect it here. You can see the available balance and all the information. And it has an AI agent that is analyzing on-chain data to give you the best information. Now, why is this so powerful? Because you can jump into the presale before it even kicks off. How you do that is you connect your Web3 wallet, and it's been audited by Coinsult Solidproof. Then you simply come to ETH right here, and you put in the information, boom, how much you'll receive. And the best thing is you can get in early because the price is going to go up, especially when it gets launched onto DEXs. We can see it's trusted by CMC, CoinSpeaker, and it has different agentic functions, snitch feed, scanning, making sure there's no rugs, takes, and if you track first, you can get there. You can even own the infrastructure, and make sure to take a look here at the expansion, how to go ahead and buy, and all the big plans, listing on DEXs, AI dashboard, central exchange, how AI adapts, and how this works. In short, DeepSnitch is here to help you use agentic AI, not just something like ChatGPT, but using a specific agent to see what is going on in the market. So that is how it works now. You might be wondering what's going on with DeepSnitch. Let's take a look and go to Google. Now we have DeepSnitch AI. It pops right up. We can see the various articles here. Taking a look at Coin Central. Now, these articles are quite interesting because we can see that it is rallying. And that's one thing you might have missed is a lot of people are taking a look at this project, that project, and they're trying to do it all themselves. But DeepSnitch helps users avoid, trading tokens, helps them avoid suspicious wallets. Maybe you saw a project that you thought was amazing, but then bad stuff started to happen, or you got in and unfortunately you didn't get the result you want. So this is the really good thing that you can take a look at. Plus, as we saw, it's been audited by Coinsult, Solidproof, all that. And this is your chance to jump in early to the DeepSnitch platform, have an advantage, and get early pricing as well. And a couple things I saw that I really liked is, making sure there's no rugs. And also it's using specific AI agents to analyze on-chain data. You can track site updates and use for full context. But guys, take some time, check out DeepSnitch AI and gain early cheap price entry before they're 10 or 100x's after launching on the DEX. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment below. Catch you in the next one.